Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to connect Iriun Webcam to OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your OBS application on your computer. Before we move forward, here's an important note you need to keep in mind. Make sure your Iriun app is already connected and running on both your phone and computer, and that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial because OBS won't be able to detect Iriun unless this connection is already established, so take a moment to verify everything is set up properly before continuing. Once OBS is open and your Iriun connection is active, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the OBS window. You'll see a Sources section with a plus icon. Click on this plus icon to open a menu that shows different source options you can add to your scene. From this menu, select Video Capture Device. This option allows you to add external camera sources to your OBS setup, which is exactly what we need for integrating Iriun. After selecting Video Capture Device, a new window will appear asking you to name your source. This helps you identify it later, especially if you're working with multiple camera sources. Go ahead and enter a name for it. Something like Iriun Webcam works perfectly. Once you've entered the name, click OK to proceed to the next configuration step. Now you'll see the Properties window for your new video capture device. At the top of this window, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Device. Click on this drop-down to see all available camera sources connected to your computer. From the list that appears, select Iriun Webcam. This tells OBS to use your phone's camera through the Iriun connection as the video source. After selecting it, you should see a preview of your phone's camera feed appear in the Properties window. Once you've selected Iriun Webcam from the drop-down, click OK to confirm your settings and add the source to your scene. The camera feed from your phone will now appear in your OBS canvas. At this point, you might notice the video doesn't fit your canvas perfectly. If you need to adjust the size or position, simply click on the video source in your canvas and drag the corners to resize it. You can also drag from the center to reposition it wherever you need it on your scene. And that's it! You've successfully connected your Iriun Webcam to OBS Studio and can now use your phone as a webcam for streaming or recording. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.